So really the only thing holding this up is possibly the mounting brackets. We might have to do some adjustment there. It might be a bit of a romance getting the tent up on the roof today, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna go camping and I'll show you the new setup. So let's throw some gas in this thing and go on a little urban adventure. Yeah, they don't think they can get the they don't think they can get the roof rack or the tent up on the rack. So it's an issue. What's happening to YouTube? Guess where we're going right now? Going down to Westcott Designs. Gonna get a new roof rack installed. Get rid of the useless TRD Pro roof rack because although it looks cool, it is absolutely useless. I have a feeling we're not going to be passing too many gas stations after we put this tent up on top of the roof. We're going to get the Ikamper 3.0 Mini. Put it up on the roof with the Westcott Designs Low Pro rack. I'm pretty excited to get this done. I'm so happy. Like they hooked it up immediately. I called yesterday, and I know it's a long shot. I said, hey man, because I put this all together in my head yesterday. I'm like, I kind of want to. Well, I've been thinking about the rooftop tent for a while, to putting it on the 4Runner back and forth, trailer, roof, trailer, roof, trailer, roof, and I needed a new tent, so I was like, let's pull the. Well, today's the day, guys. Look at that, the old TRD Pro roof rack. She's adios. Good. Transformation. So you pull it in behind. Isn't she lovely? That roof rack is gone. Hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. Look at that. Got the slick top going here. That looks weird without a rack up there.
It's low.
This thing is low. Oh, yeah. This sweet thing. Look at that. Oh, the antenna? Cool. All right. We are headed over to pick up the tent now. Got the roof rack mounted. It looks really good. I'm digging it. And we're gonna go ahead and swoop up that tent. And then, I don't know, I guess we'll have to shake it down. So there might be a couple little hoops to jump through with clearance issues between the bottom of the mounting hardware and the top of the roof. That's yet to be seen. I don't know. Now I'm at the point where I might just say fuck it. Yeah. All right. Over here at Rack Attack, let's go talk to these guys about putting a tent up on this bad boy, huh? All right. Sweet, they got one in stock, and they're gonna go ahead and put it on the 4Runner right now. So it's Rack Attack here in Phoenix, Arizona. Now open. They've got a shit ton of stuff. Heck yeah. I just kind of was just perusing the internets and stumbled upon this place. I will get the door right next time. Check this place out, guys. Heck yeah. Got all the toys.
Getting a lot of trouble in here.
All right, guys, it is up and on there. These guys nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. So I guess basically what's left to do is give it a little try, huh? Out here, this road dead ends. So, yeah, why not? Right here. This looks like a great place to throw down, probably. I think, I don't know if it goes much further. Nope, I think that's the end of the trail. Perfect. So, I like it. Figure out which way I want the tent to lean. There we go. This works. Boom. Give you guys the lay of the land here. Obviously facing west. We got a nice 2-track here, and it dead ends right behind the 4Runner. So this is a pretty ideal spot. Fire pit hasn't been used in a long time, so that's a real good sign. And yeah, let's set this thing up. Let's see what we got. So the first thing I'm going to say that kind of is weird about this tent is you have to have a key, and you can't just relock it without the key. So it's kind of I don't love that. I don't understand the point of it, but I'm sure they had their reasons. Right? Right. All right, let's see what it does. Whee. Got an array of straps. Got this a little cover for the ladder. That's kind of fancy. Well, it is what it is. There's no other choice. Let's give her a little heave-ho. See what happens. There it is. She's sturdy now. So what do we got? Do we have her leaning the right way? I can't know. So I guess the rain flies Velcro. That's interesting. This is kind of cool. They got a pouch for the stakes. Let's see. Hey! There's that. So here's the inside. One thing I don't like is, I guess in shipping, the mattress kind of curled up. Hopefully that fixes itself. It's kind of got an egg crate mattress. I don't know. I don't know if this mattress is better than my Tepui or not. This is kind of wonky. Here's the other thing that's kind of goofy. You know, it doesn't really tuck in. So, kind of leaves an open area. But check this out. Cool little sunroof, or moon roof, star roof, whatever you want to call it. Those are cool. We can peg them out, I suppose, if it's going to rain. Might do that right now. I don't know. I think they said you could do that from the inside. Let's try it. So aside from the mosquitoes, this is a pretty badass camp spot. And I got to tell you, I'm pretty excited to sleep in this tent tonight. Yeah, I think we made the good choice here. YouTube, let's talk about the first night. My first impressions of the Ikamper. I slept really good. And this is a great camp spot here. Holy cow, quiet. It's just absolute quiet last night. There's a little bit of dew in the air. It's kind of a little damp. I think one of the things I don't like about the tent is, well, it's the same thing I didn't like about my old tent. The rain fly over the door, it gets wet on the inside from the dew, and it's just not very high up. So you drag your head across it, and when you do, water falls down. It's just how they are. I guess that's just how rooftop tents are. Being able to sleep though anywhere, I mean, you're not going to throw a ground tent down here. There's absolutely no place to put a ground tent. So having a rooftop tent absolutely maximizes your possibility of camp spots, and that's why I really like them. I tried to go back to a ground tent setup because, I don't know, I thought it would be nice to put my pants on standing up. And it turns out even in my Gazelle, I still crouched down when I put my pants on, like, hey, you could do jumping jacks in here. And it was never level. You could never find, you know, if you're going out and doing this, you're not going to find the perfect flat camp spot every time easily. Well, that's pretty disappointing. So there's another glitch with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It stopped recording. So I was talking about the benefits of this versus the trailer, and at the end of the day, this is just a little more compact footprint, right? It's so more convenient means probably going to equal more camping. But the real bummer part of losing that part of the recording was we had a bunch of coyotes right here on the hill just yipping away, and it was fucking gold. And the phone quit recording, so that's you'll have that occasionally, I suppose. Right? But the other thing that's kind of bummer about this, and it was the selling point of this one over the Badass tent. I was kind of looking at the Badass tent because they were about 30 pounds lighter and made in the USA. They had a 3-year warranty, and both places I called said this had a 5-year warranty. So it says 2-year in the book. I'm just hoping that isn't bullshit. It's kind of a bummer. I really never needed a warranty on my last tent. It really lasted. It's still good. The only thing that did come apart on my last tent was the ladder. These things are plastic, and there's a lot going on with them. mixing them with the outdoors, well, they're just going to fail occasionally. So let's make sure we got everything buttoned up here. Imagine we'll probably get this a little heave ho. Get this down. Put this down. Give her the old heave ho. That's a little wet up there, huh? I see you've got some condensation on the inside. You got a place to grab on the rack. Step there, step there. Now, I believe a little tension there. Get her a little close slow. Let's see where we're at. It'd be cool if you could flip the latch and then lock it, if that's what but you have to put the key in each one of these, turn it, and then you're able to lock it with the key. Kind of a weird deal, I guess. It would be nice if you could pull the key out when it's unlocked and latch it and then relock it, but that's the only oddity. But there it is. That's it, we're done. I'm pretty happy with my purchase. The mosquitoes are really bad, but the beer is very good. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Hey, share this video out with a friend. Cheers.